I'm very happy here to be at Vedatya Institute and artists who have worked for last 7 days collectively and individually have produced some fantastic results. Their sensitivity towards materials and their ideas which they've carried along and the ideas which were generated here, they have been able to express through their very intense work.
Competition that happened. I think it was really amazing to see when everybody came along together. And one thing that I really liked about was that everybody was from different areas. Like by areas, I don't even mean areas as in nearby Delhi NCR. They were from different areas of India. But, one thing that I can just judge from them is that they have a clear vision towards how they want to proceed, what they want to do, and they are very focused towards it. That's the first thing. Secondly, how the entire process went so seamless is only and only because the people behind it, behind organizing everything, were up to everything. They kept keen eyes on each detail. Specifically, kudos to the entire team, which was head by Manika ma'am. And I must say that she had every aspect very clear, that this is something that I have to go through. This is something that I want the students to go through and understand the process of design.
Within this 10 days time, the kind of work which they have produced is amazing to see. So I will ask Maneka to give them more possibilities in such a beautiful place, and future for this place will be something which we are looking forward to.